Search data is like a window into what your customers want and what they don't want. Ignoring the data means missing out on critical direct customer feedback. But by digging deeper into the data, businesses can uncover patterns that will help improve and personalize the customer experience and ultimately boost conversion rates and customer loyalty. I'll start with top queries, no result searches, and popular filters. These show you what's working and where you might have gaps in your product catalog. Then look at things like search to click rate and search to conversion rate. A low click through rate suggests results aren't relevant. But a high click through rate but low conversion rate may mean users are finding the right product, but pricing or availability is discouraging them from adding to their carts. Pairing behavioral data with search analytics help pinpoint where the problem could be relevance, product options, or presentation. The data can guide everything from content improvements to merchandising strategies. For example, if searches for holiday gifts spike in November, you can boost certain categories, pin products, add a banner to your site, or create a tailored landing page or gift guide. You can also monitor filter usage and redesign navigation around how customers actually browse. Or you can analyze zero result searches to decide whether to add products to your catalog, enrich your data, or create redirects to point customers to similar products that might work as alternatives. So the key is relevance plus strategy. The goal is to deliver the most relevant results to your user while also promoting products that align with your business priorities. Search data helps you identify those opportunities. For example, boosting high margin products when they match what customers are already looking for. With Algolia, you can actually automate relevance while layering in merchandising rules that align with your goals.